Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. I have already applied my base colour. I add stamping polish to the image I'd like to use. I tried to scrape only once. I roll to pick up the image. I clean my plates with acetone. I add a drop of polish onto a silicone mat. I use a small dotting tool to fill in the image. I look to see if the image is filled in. I then leave the decal to dry. I use liquid latex to protect my cuticles. I add a clear polish to a makeup sponge. I then dab it onto my nails. I line up the image and stamp it onto my nails. I use a lint roller to clean my stamper. I'm now using a cuticle pusher to break the seal around the cuticles. I peel off my liquid latex and any image that is left over. I use acetone and a clean-up brush to clean around my cuticles. I'm now adding polish to the part of the image I want to use. I remove unwanted polish from the stamper with my lint roller. I'm now using a fast dry top coat to seal in my design. I apply cuticle oil and massage in.